Hello, this is Tim with Backwoods Ventures in Manville. I had a request to do a video of the 600 combination ATV trailer. So here it is. I got her tipped up just so you can view it. That's how you dump it. You hook your hook in there and you lift your arm and you can dump it that way. These two ends come off if you want to haul longer stuff. The tub comes off and you can haul, use it for a log hauler and use that as your picker. And we got these stabilizers to, if you're picking something heavy, it won't tip over. We got a swivel hitch. And here's the frame. You can extend that a little bit if you want to use it as a log hauler for a little bit longer logs. I believe about 12 foot, 14 foot roughly. Depends on your logs you could get on there. I'll try to post some pictures at the end of the video. But there she is.